What's going on, guys? So today I have a package in the mail, and if I can just have my camera, there we go. Okay. So I have a package in the mail here that I ordered off eBay. So yeah, let's go ahead and see what's inside. This it's by System Sensor. So go ahead and take some guesses while I'm unboxing this. It will be on the system. So now, probably thinking if it's an initiating device or a notification appliance. Well, let's take a look and see what we have inside. Okay, and inside there are two of these. What are they? Well, you probably have seen these before. They're made by System Sensor. They are remote LED annunciators. Okay? And what these are used for is they are used for smoke detectors. And how they are used is they get hooked up to the smoke detector. This is what it is. Okay? And what it does is when the smoke detector goes into alarm, it lights up. Just like that. And it has two connections on the back of it. So, the model number is model RA400Z. And they will be up in the next system test once I get everything ready. So yeah, guys, you should check these out on eBay. They're not expensive. I got two of these for like $15 or whatever. This is pretty good. So go ahead and check those out on eBay. Again, the model is RA400Z. All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. Talk to you soon.